Make sure you are standing next to the door you are unlocking. When you open the Geokey app, if your Bluetooth is not already on, it will prompt you to turn on your Bluetooth. Tap the screen of your deadbolt lock to light up the screen. Then, unlock. Simply tap access or swipe to unlock your preferred access point. Touch the top of your screen and drag your finger downward to refresh your Geokey app. Enable your location services in Settings. Go to your phone settings and scroll down to the Geokey app. Ensure that your location settings are not set to Never. Selecting any of the other options will work. Toggle your Wi-Fi by turning it off, waiting for a moment, and then turning it on again. For Android users, go to your Geokey app info in Settings. Tap Permissions to enable location settings. If issues persist, contact our support team through the app. Tap the question mark in the upper right corner. Select to send a chat email or give us a call at the bottom of your screen.